Hi friends, welcome back to channel Sajik. In this we're going to do the loudspeaker comparison between the POCO F3 GT versus Realme GT Neo 2 device. So this is the question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers, asked me to compare these both phones. So on both phones they do have the really very good loudspeaker output, but let's see how well this POCO F3 GT loudspeaker gonna compare with the Realme GT Neo 2's loudspeaker. So because the POCO F3 GT has got slightly kind of bass volumes really good sometimes, that's what a few of the users did like in the POCO F3 GT. But let me try to compare side by side. We're gonna see is there any kind of difference between these both phones or not. So first let me try to show you exactly what kind of profile I'm trying to select during this process of demonstration, because that's also most important thing. You should know what kind of sound effects I'm trying to choose. Sound effects, and we do have the Dolby Atmos, and we do have the Dolby Atmos in both phones. So both phones are having the Dolby Atmos, and we do have the preset values which you can actually select. So right now during this demonstration purpose I'm trying to select the voice and the movie mode. So you might be thinking why I'm selecting the movie and the voice mode. The main reason is because in the movie and the voice mode only we can get the volume as a maximum out of this device. Yes, if you try to use the music one it cannot get the maximum, but movie mode can get the maximum volume out of the phone. That's the reason why I'm trying to select this kind of same settings which has been recommended by few of my subscribers. That's the reason I'm trying to follow the same set of rules in this video. So let me to open the music player and start playing the audio side by side, then we'll be able to understand slightly better. So now let me to start playing the POCO F3 GT little by little. Now let me to test in the Realme GT Neo 2. So all friends, the volume output is quite similar to each other, nothing much major difference I did notice. So let me to see the volume output from the bottom speaker. The highest value is going around 106 decibels in the POCO F3 GT. Let's say in the Realme GT Neo 2. So this is reaching up to 106 and 107 decibels as well. The Realme GT Neo 2, no problem. Let's check the POCO F3 GT top speaker. It was able to maintain above kind of 100 decibels, 102, 100, no problem. Let's check in the Realme GT Neo 2. So friends, the Realme GT Neo 2 feels slightly kind of more volume output than the POCO F3 GT, but if you want to know which has got really bass effect, slightly kind of better bass in the POCO F3 GT, but more volume in the Realme GT Neo 2. So in terms of the back panel vibrations, I did not see any kind of much vibrations on the back side, so I did not observe much. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off, and this is a quick comparison. In case if you want me to compare with any other smartphones, let me know. Definitely I'll do the testing as soon as possible for you all. Meanwhile, just follow the playlist for the smartphones, which will help you to know all the details about the devices. Signing off friends, thank you for watching. Bye.